Look around your home. How many old phones are collecting dust right now? One? Two? Maybe more. In 2025, the average American household has 4 unused phones just sitting there, doing nothing. But what if I told you those forgotten devices are actually sitting cash, waiting to be claimed? From MLG Cash today, I'm going to show you how to turn those old phones into instant cash, literally within minutes. And the best part? You won't believe how easy it is. Let's be honest, selling old phones can be a nightmare. Meeting sketchy buyers in parking lots, dealing with endless lowball offers, shipping hassles, payment scams. Who has time for that? That's where MLG Cash comes in. They've completely revolutionized the way we sell old phones, and I'm about to show you exactly how it works. Before we dive in, here's what makes MLG Cash different. They pay up to 30% more than other buyback programs. You get instant cash, not store credit, not promises. They've partnered with the UPS store, giving you 5,500 convenient drop-off locations. And yes, they're helping save the planet by properly recycling these devices. Let me walk you through the exact process. Step 1. Value your device. Go to mlgcash.com, select your phone's make and model, answer a few quick questions about its condition, get your instant quote. Step 2. Accept your offer. If you like the price, remember, it's up to 30% more than competitors. Click Accept Offer, enter your basic information. Step 3. Choose your UPS store select from over 5,500 locations. Pick the one most convenient for you. Get your unique tracking code. Step 4. Drop off and get paid. Walk into any UPS store location, show your tracking code, hand over your device, get your cash instantly. But here's something even bigger than money. Every year, millions of phones end up in landfills, leaking harmful chemicals into our environment. When you sell to MLG Cash, you're not just making money, you're making a difference. They ensure every device is either refurbished and given a second life or properly recycled following strict environmental guidelines. Now, I know what you're thinking. What if my phone is damaged? They accept phones in any condition. Is my data safe? They use military-grade data wiping. What if I change my mind? Their customer service is top-notch. Is this too good to be true? They're BBB accredited and trusted by thousands. Here's what you need to do right now. Grab those old phones, visit mlgcash.com. Get your instant quote, head to your nearest UPS store, walk out with cash in hand. It's that simple. But here's the thing, phone values drop every day. That iPhone in your drawer, it's worth less tomorrow than it is today. So why wait? Don't let your old phones collect any more dust. Turn them into cash today with MLG Cash. Remember, up to 30% more money, instant payment, and you're helping the environment. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment below telling me how much you got for your old phones. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.